So guys, welcome to the devlog part 3 maybe. It has been more than a month I uploaded the last video, so I don't even remember what part or what part it is. So anyways, welcome. So the last month I did quite some work. Not quite some work, it is a lot of work. Where do I start? Where do I even start? Okay, first thing is the skybox. You see, this is the Hdr Skybox I just got from the internet, and yes, I put skybox in my render now, and it looks good. And also the ambient lighting due to the skybox. Yes, I applied that too. Again, next there are the render settings. I added HDR settings, bloom and MSAA. Like there is still one HDR bug, but still it looks good. What does HDR even do? HDR just reduces the brightness and reduces the brightness. It does something I don't know, but it looks good. Next, MSAA, multi-sampling, anti-aliasing. Okay, it also looks good. And the huge upgrade was in the asset pipeline, and damn, that took a lot of time to figure out. So yes, now I could just load the whole prefab. I'll just load one. Yes, again I have this, what do you call, loading bar. I don't know if it was there in the last video, but yes, I have that now. And yes, another thing, PBR Lightning. Now I added the PBR Lightning, which make it more realistic, I guess. And it is obviously the standard industry standard now to add PBR Lightning. Where are the light? Wait. So the light and some reflection here. Delete the spear. Yes. As you could see, the PBR Lightning in work, and it do look a lot more realistic than before. I mean, PBR Lightning basically means physically based rendering, so it was supposed to look like this. I'm quite happy with the lightning though. Okay, next, what in the PBR Lightning I have many texture maps, albedo, normal, again AO, metallic roughness and metallic roughness map. Yes, there are many texture maps. You could just use and unuse, and you could add under texture maps. There are many texture maps here. So that is one thing. Again, what I'll load one big prefab. And the asset loading pipeline, it could be divided into two steps. First, we have to import any prefab or any asset. We could first import it, then after that only we could load it. Like, we can't just load it directly from the disk or from the downloads folder. First we have to import it to the game folder, and that's how I made it. Wait a thing, I haven't noticed it before. Is that Dicium? That's freaking Dicium, man. That's Devlog. I haven't noticed it before. Whoever made this model, he must be a fan of Devlog, maybe. Okay, this is it. Yes, now I could load huge models without any issues, at least for now, that there are any issues. And you could see the reflections and all. It looks quite good actually. Again the ECS component system. Yes, entity component system. You could just search what is ECS component system on the internet, and it is quite a good system. I would say it is mostly data oriented rather than the object oriented, and it has made the engine quite efficient, I guess. So that's it. Again, what again the render views. Okay, in the render settings I added this today only, and we could change the views of the render. Like I'll just show you. For this mostly for debug purposes. Like this is a geometry view, and you could see the all mesh geometry and all. Okay, mesh geometry as mesh view. Again there is the albedo view, that is the albedo texture maps. Again there is the normal view, the normal maps, and again the depth view. For that depth one look pretty cool, I guess. It is mostly for the debug purposes. In the main game file, game program, it won't be there, but it is necessary while you are making a game engine. Like you should be able to have a view of all that defined depths and normals and all. So this is the thing I did today only. Again MSAA on off. So what other things? Maybe this is it. Again inspector, same performance. It has reduced to 80 fps. So performance is, there could be performance issues right now, and it should be improved. I guess this is it. So the render pipeline is almost complete. Although I am trying to improve it and make it more efficient, but you could say it is almost complete, and the basic features are all added. Then next after render part, in the engine there will be the gameplay part, the physics part, and I still haven't quite figured out how to put all that things. I have to learn a lot. Yes, the same parallelly I'm learning Vulkan, because apparently Vulkan is the industry standard. So, and Vulkan is quite complex, I would say, not hard actually. There are many steps to even set up for a triangle. So that's I'm learning. So that is all for today. Thanks.